video I am going to share about introduction to full calendar JS library and calendar events project. First I will share about full calendar JS library. So full calendar is a powerful JavaScript library. This library is used for displaying interactive and customizable calendars in website and application like Google Calendar. The key features of the full calendar are we can manage event on full calendar, and this full calendar is multi-language support, and we can drag and drop events from one date to another date, and we can customize the calendar views, and we can add external sources, we can add event data from API and other sources. So these are the basic introduction of full calendar. Now I will show how to use this full calendar. To use the full calendar, first we have to add the full calendar link. This full calendar.io is the official website of full calendar. We can learn everything from this calendar, from this full calendar website, and we have to copy the link from this full calendar library and use that ID, or we can also download the full calendar files and use that files. So the first step is we have to integrate the full calendar link, and we have to give the ID as calendar and call that ID calendar, and we have to initialize the full calendar like this, full calendar dot calendar, and after that we have to render the calendar. These are the basic steps of integrating full calendar. So the codes inside these blocks are customization of the calendar. So if I run this page, you can see like this. So this is full calendar. Here I have added header, toolbar, previous, next, today, and in the right this button. So the month button, week button, day button, list button, and there we can go to week view, day view, list view. In the list it will show the events created in this calendar, and we can go to other pages like this, and if I click on today, it will reach today date page, and we can add editable true, draggable true. With this editable true, we can edit the calendar, and with draggable true, we can drag and drop the events. Here I have created events, and we have to create with title and start date. Here I have created two events. With draggable true, we can drag and drop the event. This is for the draggable true. And there is date click and event click function. When the date click, I added date is click alert box. So date mean this date box. If I click on a date, it will show date is click alert box. If I click on event, if I click on this event, it will show event is click. So we can use this date click and event click. So in creating custom events, here I have added only two events, my constant event. So if we want the user to add event by themselves, we can use this date click and event click function, and when the user click on date, we should add a bootstrap model box, and there the user can add event data, and if the user save the form, it should show in the calendar view. Like this we can do when this event click and date click. When the date click, we can show a bootstrap model box and form, and there the user can enter event data. When the event click, we can show the event, and we can edit, update. We can do like that when this date click and event click function. So these are the basic of full calendar integration. Now the next thing what I want to share is we can fetch event from APIs and other sources and add in calendar. Here I have added some codes for getting event data from API. I will comment out, I will remove comment from this fetch events code. Yeah, I use the calendarific API. There we can get holiday data for the calendar, that we don't need to create add a holiday event in calendar. We can easily get the calendar holiday data from this API and add in calendar. Here I use the calendarific and give the country as Thailand TH, and give the year as this year 2024, and I call that event like this, fetch event, and add in the calendar id title start date. Now if I refresh the page, there you can see holiday data are showing in the calendar. Anniversary of death of king, like this. There it will show all the holidays of Thailand in this calendar. Like this we can get API data and add in calendar. And the next thing, this calendar is multi-language. It supports multi-language, so we can create multi-language. For example, now it has used English as default language, and I can add local th for Thai language. So th is Thai language tag. So if I refresh the page, now the calendar has changed to Thai language. Now the day name, the month name are changed to Thai language. So this button are not changed to Thai because these are my custom button that I created, so it will not change the language. We have to create separate language value according to our project. But for the calendar, day name and month name are changed to Thai language. So this is multi-language support in full calendar. Now I will share about the calendar events project that I have created. This is my calendar events project, and this project is written in Joomla 5. There in this calendar events, there are two menu types, events and event type. So this is events page, and if I go to event types, this is event type page. There I created event type as meeting, conference, holiday. These are the event types. We can go to week view, day view, and list. In this list I have done a little different. If I go to front end page, This is my front end page of this calendar events project. There the same month view, day view, list view. There in the list it has listed the events that I have created in the calendar, and there is manage event types. There we can edit, delete event types. Here there is a little different in this list in backend. If I click on list, it will reach to the event list page, and there we can view the event and create new event from this event list also. So we can create from the calendar and from this event list page also. Here we can also create events. There is a button for month view, week view, day view. If I click on month, it will reach to the month view of the calendar. If I click on week, it will reach to the week view of the calendar. And if I click on day, it will reach to the day view of the calendar. So I use the date click and event click in this function. If I click on the date, it will show a model box, and there we can create event. So I will create for 7 October event, and I will add the description. There will be a meeting, and for the event type I will give conference, for example. And for the start date and end date, I have set the start date 1 day after the end date is 1 day after start date. If the start date is 7 October, the end date is 8 October. If I click on save, it will save that event in this calendar, in this date where I have created the event. So we can create event from this week view, day view also. We can create events in the front end also. We can create events, and I have used the I have not refreshed, sorry. I have used the event click function also. If I click on this event, it will show edit event box, and I can update or delete event. I will change to 7 October event edited, and it will edit the event name, and I can also delete the event. We can also create from week view, day view also, and we can filter the event from this drop down also. So for this event 1, this is meeting, event type meeting. Now I will create event again, and now I will give the conference event type as conference, and click on save. Now this event is event type meeting, and this event is event type conference. If I change to meeting, it will show only the meeting event. If I change to conference, it will show only conference event. Like this, we can filter the event from this drop down also. So this is the full calendar and the calendar events project using full calendar in Joomla 5. So that's all about my presentation. Thank you very much.